Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Microsoft Entra ID in Xamarin apps. Complete guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with Microsoft Entra ID in Xamarin apps, start by setting up your Azure Active Directory. Log into the Azure portal and create a new Azure Active Directory instance if you don't have one. Once the directory is created, navigate to the App Registration section. Click on New Registration to register a new application. Provide a meaningful name for your application and select the appropriate account type. For the redirect URI, enter the appropriate value based on your application type, typically in the format of your app's URL. Submit the registration by clicking the Register button. After registration, make a note of the application, client, ID and directory, tenant, ID. Now, navigate to the Certificates and Secrets section. Create a new client secret by clicking on New Client Secret. Provide a description and set an expiration period for your secret. Once created, copy the client's secret value as it will not be shown again. Next, move to the API Permissions section on the left sidebar. Click on Add a Permission and select Microsoft Graph. Choose the permissions required for your app, such as user, read. Remember to grant admin consent for those permissions if necessary. Now, shift your focus to your Xamarin project. Open your Xamarin solution in Visual Studio. Add the required NuGet packages, Microsoft Identity, client for authentication. Once installed, initialize the authentication library in your app. Create an instance of the public client application using your client ID and redirect URI. Implement the authentication logic to initiate the sign-in process. Use MSAL's Acquire Token interactive method to present the sign-in UI. Handle the token response, capturing the access token upon successful sign-in. Now, use the access token to make authorized API calls. In your app settings, ensure you handle exceptions and provide user feedback during the authentication process. Test the entire flow to ensure users can authenticate smoothly. Now, you've successfully integrated Microsoft Entra ID into your Xamarin app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.